This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about grill presses, specifically this Metlux cast iron grill press. It's made from black cast iron, and it's a 7-inch diameter press that features a wonderful wooden handle. It's made of durable cast iron that's really going to hold up to heavy use and has excellent heat retention. The wooden handle is not only a great and easy one to grip, but it's going to stay cool, meaning that it's going to be easy to grab and handle even when it's in use on hot surfaces. These grill presses are going to keep your foods flat while heating from both sides to help speed up that cooking process. They can be used to press down on things like meats, like burger patties or sausage patties, not only to help remove excess grease, but also to increase surface contact, meaning that things are going to cook more evenly in addition to cooking faster. They have a wonderful grooved underside that's going to prevent shifting while in use, but is also going to leave wonderful grill marks as well. So a nice attractive pattern on your foods, which always makes things look and taste more delicious. So these are suitable for use on both stovetops and grills, and they're going to be perfect in a variety of food establishments or just on your own grill at home for your next barbecue.